today we're going to do science. Now this is called reverse rainbow. Now the scientific method. The question is, do we can change the color to white? Make two circles. Draw 6 lines. Use color markers and color pencils. Red plus yellow equals orange. Red plus blue equals purple. Yellow plus blue equals green. Now cut out your circles. Cut one colored circles. Glue the three parts together. Make two holes with a toothpick. Use a stick to make the hole bigger. Make 3 rulers stand off string. String to the hole. Tie the string together. Put a color wheel in the middle and spin. The scientific method. The question is, do we can change the color to white? Yes, the answer is yes. If the color is moving, it will change to white. Bye bye.